Let's go to this story. With just a week to go before the release of the matric results, the Information Regulator and the Basic Education Department are heading to court today. The Pretoria High Court will hear the regulator's urgent bid to halt the publishing of the results in newspapers. It has warned that if this is done, the Protection of Personal Information Act could be violated. Newzroom Afrika's Zola Sholwana is following that story for us and joining us outside the Pretoria High Court. A very good morning to you, Zola. Tell us about what we can expect in the hearings today.
Well, Aldrin, we are expecting to hear arguments from both parties, and that is the Department of Basic Education together with the Information Regulator. You would understand that 2 weeks ago, the department was fined 5 million rands for refusing to get into an agreement with the Information Regulator, where they were told that they should not publish matric results through the media or newspapers. And this has been happening for a number of years, and we do understand that there are also parties that are interested in today's proceedings, and that is the AfriForum that is agreeing with the Information Regulator, stating that publishing of matric results is violating the students' privacy in this case. But we do know that the Department of Education has maintained their stance and said that publishing of these results is not going to be prohibited by anyone, because this has been happening for a number of years. If you remember, Aldrin, a couple of years ago, matriculants would see names, in fact, of matriculants would be published on newspapers, and later on that was changed. Now people are seeing examination numbers, and the Department of Basic Education is saying that one cannot identify a person through an examination number. So they do not. They are saying that the Information Regulator does not have a ground when it comes to that. Now, if the judge rules in favor of the Information Regulator, it means that the class of 2024 will be the first matriculants not to get their matric results through newspapers. But if the judge rules in favor of the Department of Basic Education, it means that everything will continue as normal. And this is happening just a week before matric results are released, Aldrin. So we are anticipating to hear what the arguments of these two parties will be looking like today.